Gbogbo pátá bá ṣe níbi àwọn ni wọ́n ń ga. Bísí ológe kan báwo ni? Ìròyìn olóríire, ìròyìn ìdùnnú ni wọ́n máa ń gbé. Wọn kì í bá wọn pé ìròyìn àgbákò káàkiri. Tiwọn náà tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣeré. Bísí ológe ti tó pé. Báwa bá ẹ̀ka, gbogbo ayé ló máa gbọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ti ní ìlú ẹ̀ ṣe gbẹ́gbẹ́ ìwọ. Ìgbà mi ti ní ìlú ẹ̀ ṣe gbẹ́gbẹ́ ìwọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ti ní ìlú ẹ̀ ṣe gbẹ́gbẹ́ ìwọ. Ìgbà mi ti ní ìlú ẹ̀ ṣe gbẹ́gbẹ́ ìwọ.
How do you manage? No, not in the store. So before you come, the customer already waiting for you. There are other Russian Middle East. And some, yes, they will come.
Are you taking a video?
Those items that time, even this Coca-Cola that time, the program, everything are foreign. Whiskey, different types. This, but those ones, they are not available that time. No, it's not contraband. No, Russia at that time they call them speculation. They call Nigeria and say they are speculators. So they will speculate. Because they have those items. No, you know. So you have to go to them now. That language. And they walk. That's everybody.
Something's looking better, baby.
That's your brother, the enemy.
You are not getting friend. I'm the only friend that I never call it.
That's good.
Some people do speed too. They are going to sleep here today. have music now. We have. Eh?